Hi everyone, my name is Sheila. I will be presenting my intervention plan for the course ABA 622 using the SAFMEDS studying procedure. The university has set a goal of 14 cards in ACEL for 30 seconds. I use that as my mastery criteria in order for me to move to another deck, and each deck was run individually. As far as the semester, I say it went a lot smoother than the last course. I already knew what to expect. I had a good studying procedure set in place. From the very beginning, I had a set goal of basically just spending 2 weeks for each deck. I really didn't have any other intervention plans besides when the decks were introduced. I'll go ahead and share my screen now. So here's my standard acceleration chart. And here's when each deck was introduced, 1, 2, and 3. Over here is when all the cards were being studied just to run maintenance. And I, just like the last course, I did do a visual list again because that really did help me just see visually all the certain key terms and help me do my timings a lot faster. And so every time each deck was introduced, there's a low number in ACEL, and as time or days went by, it would go upward, and as far as decel, it would go downward. And as far as how I would do my timings, I would do 5 timings per week, and I would do 2 neutral decks or 2 timings per week for the neutral deck for the class ABA 620. And then I would set aside like about an hour. I would go over the visual list, and then I would go through the whole deck before actually doing my timings. And what I would do differently is I would probably just reinforce myself a lot less than I did last course and this course, because I kind of learned later in the course that that's something that we should look into and how that could help us in our data. So I'll definitely try that for next course. I did kind of do it randomly. My reinforcement and my studying habits were very long compared to my other colleagues. So the only thing I would change would be less reinforcement, and I would probably set for the next course fixed ratio or fixed interval, so I could go ahead and do my timings a lot faster. Thank you for letting me share.